There you go.
Yeah, I saw it.
There she goes. Dang, man, I'm like, what the heck, bro? Right through that. Yeah, I really want to break through that. If it closes bullish on the 15-minute, that'll be good too. Then I'm putting stops below both of those 15-minute candles. Nice.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. You know who that sounded like? Sound like that pocketing pips dude. She knows you, right?
Yeah.
You sound like that pocketing pips dude, man. I'm like, L, you really gonna let him? You gonna let him join the stream to learn? Huh?
He's sleeping.
I'm skipping.
No, he's sleeping now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, these magic keys though. Partial TPs is about to hit. I don't even gotta do anything. Look at it.
Oh,
Look at it.
shit.
Partial TPs. Come on, one more push.
Let's go. Come on.
One more. Oh, wow. Wow.
Get out now.
GJ can hear us, man. Come on. Gotta stay quiet.
Missed my partial TP by like literally like a pipette.
Did you see the gold? It's flipped bullish again.
Come on, man. It's not trying to.
Yes, man. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, hit it. What?
No. Wow.
I think as long as it's creating higher highs.
Yeah, I know, but it's just like literally it's just like by a pipette, bro. It's like it was like 10.08 pips.
Maybe you should have hit it then.
It didn't hit it. That's the whole thing about it, bro. It didn't even hit it.
I meant like you exit manually.
I know, but I wanted to try the things out, you know, the features it came with.
Yeah.
I could close manually right now, but it's pointless because I know it's gonna end up, you know, giving me one more little push.
Yeah, you still have 2 minutes for London. You will have to
Yeah,
push.
that push was already part of London, I believe.
You will have it for sure. Where is your TP?
My full TP is at let's see, 142. Well, yeah, 142.224. That's
Yeah.
daily wick.
Watch the next week though, right? Voila.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
Yeah.
trying to. That's why I'm about to put stops at break. I'm about to just close half automatically, man. At 7 pips.
Yeah. The open week is gonna come inside here, I think.
Close half. Did it do it? Auto break even. Why is my auto break even not trying to set? Oh, I gotta activate it. Okay.
Press enter.
Yeah.
Two, five.
Fuck me. There goes my push.
Anuj, what did you enter on? 30
Huh?
minute? No, I'm asking Anuj.
So, what I did was, do you want me to share my screen?
No, I'm just asking what time frame do you enter? The 30?
So in this particular trade, let me send you a screenshot of this, and maybe I could talk. I forgot how to send a screenshot. Oh yeah. Okay.
Because you entered below the resistance, I saw. Oh.
Is it there?
Oh, use the one, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, I was just looking at a few. If you look at the yellow box on the bottom bit,
Yeah.
see how it's like kind of there's like a few boxes. The bottom yellow box, the second yellow box, third, and the fourth.
Yeah.
So the first yellow box, that was like my supply and demand zone for the 1 minute. It was, yeah, I was actually looking at the higher time frame for the buyers as well. And I was actually basically looking at the rejection, the big rejection in the 1 hour time frame, I think. Yeah, the rejection was one of the confluence, and the rejection.
Oh, there's this big one here, right?
Yeah, the big rejection was one of the confluence. That was like a big liquidity grab, you know. That's why we are seeing the push right now.
Yeah.
And that was one thing, one of the confluence. And the first yellow box, it was kind of respecting it, supply demand, just playing around it, you know. There's a second yellow box just up ahead, and there's this like mini gap of 2-3 pips, and it was just bouncing off of that. When it just entered the second yellow box supply demand zone, it's like played around, rejected, went down, still respecting the support in the higher time frame, and it again came back to the second supply demand zone in 1 minute, and bam. I thought I'll just put it. I thought I'll just give minimum risk to the trade. You know, just let's just give minimum risk. Looking at the high time frame, big rejection, few confluence, and after that it just played out. Respected the supply demand, just pushed away from the zone, went to the second yellow zone, and again pushed away from the zone, and the fourth zone. Just
Nice
that.
catch.
Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Sorry, my explanation is like too stupid, huh?
No, I was just curious how come you took it below. Yeah, but because I saw this also, I was already at the charts. I saw this. Just that if this candle had closed above this resistance, I would have taken it already, but I didn't. Yeah, so it's just interesting how you looked at it from another perspective.
Yeah, it'll be pretty interesting if I could share you my screen. I could explain how it's actually the idea that I had is actually happening. It's funny. I was actually looking at how the candle right now, the pre London Open, could actually image the candle from well, in my trading view, it's 13 Jan 2021's what candle is this? So in my time it says 7. So when I'm looking at 30-minute candle in my trading view, 30-minute time frame candle, it's actually now the present position, or the now the price action is actually imitating or kind of mimicking or imaging a price action from the left. If you see a bullish, there's a big rejection down there in the 30-minute. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's let me find words to explain.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
Morning,
But
everyone.
Morning.
it's sort of mirroring that range.
Yep.
Yeah. That's what I was looking at as well.
Yeah, it's gonna continue higher to 142,600.
You think? Yeah, today might be that day, Al. That
Yeah.
you get that.
Yeah, it is because the weekly is still the same
Yeah.
scenario. The 1 hour, the daily even showed confirmations that it wanted to go up already. I think the 30-minute flip was the trade. Because now I cannot take the trades. The range is too little.
Wait, you're talking at 142,600.
Yes.
Let's see where that's at.
Are you planning to take buys about 250?
Maybe.
Oh, that's the weekly wick in it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think you're gonna get that. I'm about to close another partial. Once it reaches like 5 pips away from my other TP. I'm gonna let the rest run for the wick fill.
Oh my, who's in this?
Me.
That's the one.
Still in it.
Oh, it's 8
Come
pips,
in.
G. Hey, who's that? Is it Kevin?
Yeah, it's good. What's good? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear a fan.
Bro, you just came off vacation?
Yeah, I just got back.
Where'd you
I'm
go
not, this place called Rotorua, New Zealand.
to? Oh, okay.
You don't know it.
Nah, I have no idea. What's over there?
Smoke comes out of the street.
Smoke comes out of this.
Honestly.
It's like
Is it
spas
like a
and stuff.
volcano?
A geothermal spa.
Is the whole
Sulfur.
island like a volcano island?
Wait, you got like hot springs and shit in New Zealand?
Oh yeah,
Damn.
Oh, that's nice.
Aight.
like geothermal volcanic mud that, like, you know.
Should have over leveraged on this trade. I would have been up. Boy, I tell you. Okay, TP2's about
Oh
to
lord.
I'm 18 pips up. Let's go. Come on.
hit. Yeah, I'm 18 pips up as well. Yes, sir. I'm
Trying
about
to
to
get that wick fill.
close another half. Yeah, I just closed another half. Nah, I'm happy. That was a perfect trade. I'm gonna journal this one after work. I don't feel like doing it now.
Oh, still going.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Almost.
I
I'm
closed
about to
half.
hit.
I closed
Okay,
half, another half, 20 pips.
You guys think this could go further?
Yeah.
Probably.
Should I
We
be the
break this
runner?
double top. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm good. I'm gonna just take my profits and run away. Too scared.
Hey Kev, did you manage to get your magic keys working?
Bro, it's not even. It's not working, bro. The everything is working except the switch, so it's not an inconvenient in any way, but still annoying.
It could be the hardware problem, man. You might want to get in touch with them and get a replacement.
Yeah, I'll talk to them. It happened after. Oh, my stop loss. Oh, my profit got hit.
Yeah, I got stops at break even. Happy with the profits though. This is great.
Guys, I'm going for another 100 pips.
You're greedy, bro.
105.
You've been in there since last week.
Did you get out? Didn't you get out yesterday or some shit?
Yeah. Yesterday I got out 100 pips, but today I'm gonna go for 105 pips.
Man,
extra.
you're really pushing the
this
limits,
entry?
aren't you? 5 pips
guys
more a
really-
day. Let me get your strategy, homie. What you doing over there, huh? What you doing that I don't know what you doing, bro?
I got the same entry as you, I think.
Yeah, probably. But 100 pips, next TP's at 80 pips in total. That's 60 pips away. If you got stops at break even, I don't think you're gonna make it today.
I think it could. If it breaks the 142, 300.
Yeah, it's already rejecting it.
Yeah, watch the week high, the daily week high.
I'm hoping for it to go like this, then go down.
Yeah, I'm hoping as well. I'm thinking about just cutting the whole position at this point.
Well, I noticed this week and a bit of last week as well. Almost every day, because we've been in a bullish momentum. At 6:30 GMT, like UK time.
Yeah.
We form support most of the time on the 30-minute. But today, because the 1 hour closed bearish, I was hesitating to take buys. But if you look at 6:30, the candle on the 30-minute actually cleared.
Closed bullish.
5:30 it was. No, yeah, 6:30. Yeah, closed bullish.
Mm.
And then the next one closed as a doji,
Yeah.
which I've taken a trade similar to that before, and it always ran up.
Yeah.
After that.
Because it's holding the support on the left. Because if you look at the 1 hour when it closed bearish, right? Look at how it rejected.
Yeah.
It's bearish but it rejected. And then the next one will have given you the confirmations that it wants to continue going up already.
Yeah, but for me, I wouldn't buy on that candle because it didn't close above
Same.
resistance.
Same. That's why I didn't buy it also.
Okay.
Yeah, the buy I bought was also like cowboy move, anticipating volume to actually break through that minor level. 'Cause it was struggling there for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I entered on the pullback when 30-minute closed above, and then the next candle was coming down. from the higher time frame and everything I looked at, it was like it was strong bullish. So
Yeah, close my full position.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it's about to hit my stop anyway. So I still took 15 pips out of it. The last bit that I closed. That was my bonus.
How many lots are you using, mate?
Nadim, I don't know.
I entered that at 0.25.
Oh man, you should have gone from 1.
I told you I should have over leveraged.
Yeah, he's just saying.
But I'm using these magic keys, so it sets it up automatically for me, you know. So I can't over leverage no more. Otherwise, I gotta shoot manually.
You can take double trade.
Hey man, let me practice my discipline, bro.
You know, hey, I'm just trying to help.
Why you being a bad example?
You said
just
you
cause
wanted to over leverage.
just cause your magic keys are broke.
Hey, bro, my shit works, bro.
The magic kicks works fine. It's just broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just broke, but they work though. You know.
Yeah, they work though. You know.
Yeah, I fuck with it.
It's just tweaking.
I fuck with it, shorty.
Man, calm down.
I was being
Calm
so
down.
quiet.
You're in a buy.
Nothing for me to say. There's no trade yet for me.
We want to hear your voice.
Chilling.
Nothing. I already said I would have only bought. I think I missed it because I should have bought on this flip because I had all the confirmations ready.
The buy? You didn't trust it, huh?
No, I did. I just thought that it would wick down deeper, so I left it alone.
Alright, I'm done for the day. Shit. What time do you go to work, Guala?
I have to be in at 12, so I'll probably end up leaving here in about an hour and a half. I already showered last night, so I don't have to shower. Got food ready downstairs, so I can just grab it and eat it. Oh man, I just gotta go to work.
I'm doing something super awesome today.
What are you doing today?
Journaling my stupid break-even trade that I took this morning.
Okay.
At least it's not a loss.
I went into a bar and for some reason I thought that the price is gonna reject the resistance area, so I got out at break-even, and yeah, I was like, you know, should have just waited literally 1 more minute, maybe 2 more. Oh well.
Ooh.
What the fuck was that?
Yeah, Nadim, if you took it on this impulse entry,
yeah, as soon as it was breaking the high of the, no, that's a 50-minute, that's on a 30-minute.
No, I like with the magic keys. It shows you your percentage that you made, the percentage of your balance, what you made today, and your drawdown. That's pretty sweet. I got 6.63% today, 1.54% on my account, and
it
4
tells you,
pip
like,
drawdown.
If you put like maximum trades you want to take, it tells you, oh, you have this many trades left, or
yeah, mine says 2 trades left for today, but yeah, everything's green.
Nadim, if you took this on the impulse entry here, right? Unless you were anticipating London volume to push you up, if not, I think that was the only reason why you entered, because you didn't write any words, so I don't really know what you're looking for. But if it's an impulse entry with London volume, then yeah, it's fine. Oh, this damn bright.
So Al,
Mm-hmm.
I'm teaching a friend how to trade. Well, not teach.
What do you
When he's
teach?
ready. No, I don't. I'm not teaching them. I'm literally teaching them support and resistance. I told him to go look for the rest.
Told him to
But
what?
when he's ready, no, I said I'm just teaching him support and resistance and stuff like that.
Mm.
But when he's ready, do you mind if I share him the link so he could watch
On
in the
YouTube?
Zoom? On the Zoom.
Nah, bro. Cause there are some guys who are paying.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
bro.
makes sense.
Yeah, bro. No.
Makes sense.
Sorry.
All right.
Anyway, it's on YouTube.
Then he has to go on in the gulag.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, because I gotta be fair to the rest of the guys.
Yeah, that's true. I didn't think about that. I was being selfish. My bad.
Yeah, Rico, I don't really know why you entered, but if it's a buy limit based on all these levels here. Cannot draw. If you're basing it off all these rejections previously and you wanted to set a buy limit, then yes, I guess it works. But just understand that if it wicks down and catches you, then that's just the way it is, because it's a buy limit, there's no confirmations. You're already, when you enter a trade like that, you're anticipating it to go up. So if it flips against you, then it's just probabilities.
Ace, did you take this trade?
Oh no, I'm not trading until next week.
Oh, okay.
No, my goal did not hit stop loss, Ravi. I closed it. If you saw the recap, which I posted on Discord, which you are a member of, I did not hit my stop. So, it's here. If you want to watch it, you can watch it. What comment? I don't see any comment. Unless it's the 12th. Yeah, there's no comments, not that I saw.
I have a question.
Mm.
You know how you have your golden zone in your fib? So as soon as the candle would touch there, regardless if it's bullish or bearish, would you take the trade?
No.
Are you anticipating, or would you still wait for the confirmation?
I'll wait for confirmations.
Would that be on 15-minute, 30-minute, or depending on the...
Sometimes even 5. That's why I use the Fibs, because then I can drop down to the 5 with confirmations. So for example, right, if let's say let me just draw a quick one. For example, on this push here, if let's say I wanted to take a trade somewhere inside this area here, right? So I'm really waiting inside this area, correct? So as price comes in, I'll wait on the 5. So the moment there is some kind of support that forms like this, hang on, let me make it bigger. Like this, you see? This bullish one?
Yeah.
Yeah, then I'll take the trade. So that's how it allows me to take the trade on the 5 earlier.
Thank you.
If it closes bullish 142,200, still is it not dangerous to take a buy as it's start of 4-hour candle? You mean on this close of the 4-hour? If this 4-hour closes above, right, I actually like it, because then it will go, it might, if it closes bullish, that's what I want to see, because then the next candle will just make a wick down, try and hold it first, and then when it flips bullish, I'll take it. So I don't think it's dangerous as long as you wait for it to make a lower wick first. Don't enter on the close straight away, because it will make a nasty wick down and then you might get stopped. So right now, since I
seen a retracement though first for that next push to really break, because that's a strong level actually.
Yeah, maybe.
I was just looking back in the history.
Yeah.
On my MetaTrader. Strong level. Well, I draw the fibs. I think we're gonna go right back to where we broke out of. If I draw my fibs on the 30-minute, where the push starts, yeah, 618 is right at where we started at. And then retest the highs. All of Daniel Savage students are waiting for this retracement. Oh man.
Do I use fibs in small time frames? Ben, no. I draw it. I think the minimum one is on the 15. Yeah, Martin, you can have the spanner. Go fight with Andy.
Did I miss something?
No. No, because there's this ongoing joke that I gave Andy and Alexi, the spanner in YouTube, so they keep disturbing Martin inside
Oh,
the
man, I
YouTube
don't
chat.
even
They
watch the
keep
YouTube
they keep blocking him. So I finally gave him the spanner today, and then Martin went, "Yes, I have the power," and then I took it away. Oh, cheap truths. I'm sorry, Martin. I'm bored.
I guess I'm gonna wait for New York session. Need to try to repair my.
Hey everyone, want to see my shirt? My shirt is damn cool today, look.
That's trash still, can't lie.
Bruh. Isn't it cute? Daredevil is sitting on Spider-Man, look. L is childish. Bruh. Daily trade recap. Oh, okay, daily trade recap. Hang on.
Okay, guys, I'm off. Have a good trade. Great day.
Okay.
See you soon.
Oh, I can't believe it's still going up.
Oh. Oh, Manish, you heading off?
He's already done. He already won for the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, Manish is on a winning streak, eh? I should join you guys soon.
No, Manish traded Asia.
Oh.
Yeah. And he traded GA.
Manish is on a roll, eh? Hey, Alexi, I'd like to hear some good news from you. Hear some good news from you. Any trades? Oh, when? Next week?
Yeah, I think I might. I'm starting to like how everything's moving now.
I think GJ's volume is back to normal compared to the past few weeks.
Oh my god, I messed up the title. Is it this? Yeah, there's no comments, TKL. Yeah, I don't know. I can't find a comment. I answer all my comments, to be honest. I can't find it. Ooh, what's this? Similar rejection. Oh, okay. Okay, I see.
Did you see what I mean?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. So I was just looking at the smaller time frame. When I send you the chart for 1 minute, that seemed so impulsive, you know. And I couldn't even explain it, so I thought I would just make a figure and I'll send it to you.
No, I think just now when you said, right, that this 1 hour, that I understood it, because when you know how when you took the trade, it looked like it was within this candle, so I was concerned about this resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing was, your point about this candle rejecting to this area of support is valid. So that's why you just look for confirmations earlier on the 1 minute.
True.
Yeah, that's what I get it.
Yeah. It was obviously impulsive because I actually saw a price coming up and down a few times, but it actually made sense. For example, even if you look at 1 minute, it was slowly pulling up. No volume, obviously. That's why it was pulling up slow, you know. So every recent support on the 1 hour from about my entry was like getting higher every time. So it was kind of good.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I didn't really want to short it, even though I saw it.
True. Yeah, you don't want to do it in your first trade. No.
I wouldn't have even been awake. Wow.
No, that was at 6:30 a.m. GMT.
No, I don't think about it. I was awake, I just didn't come.
Marty is getting throat left, right, center.
You gave him the spanner, yeah, he felt safe.
My spanner means nothing now.
Damn.
You guys are having too much fun reading the YouTube comments.
Yeah, we are.
I'm gonna open the stream and see what's going on.
Oh my god.
Wow, who banned me?
Me.
Why?
Oh, look at Nadim. He's starting again.
I've not cried about the 100 pips for how many days?
You just did just now.
No, I didn't.
As in, he said you wanted another 100 pips.
I just said it. Doesn't mean I really want it. It's just a joke. I don't know why Nadim took it so personal. Nadim, why don't you come on the Zoom and say it? You know?
I think the only way I could have caught this trade was actually hopping on at 7 instead of chilling because I thought there was news.
You thought wrong. No, this
confused.
This move happened at 7:30 your time.
Yeah, it would have made a 1 hour support, and then the push came next 1 hour. The one issue was there was a resistance right in front of me, but anticipating the volume to break it, could have taken it either way.
Now, even if you didn't take it at 7, right? This one here, this broke at 7 on the 30. So the next one you could have taken it already. The only thing that was a concern is that we were discussing earlier is consolidation on the left, plus this thing barely had a top wick. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true as well.
Yeah, but the way I saw it was, it already broke through this like what Anuj was saying just now, right? There's confirmations coming from way earlier. So you see how this support was formed, then this candle rejected that support, closed even higher. So technically it was really prime for buys. So I think I should have, when this thing rejected and pushed bullish, it was a even stronger confirmation that it was gonna continue up. So then the entry would have been like this. Yeah, but the story started playing way earlier. Yeah, so it would have been a 10 pip for 25.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you think DJ is moving better than the last 2 weeks now, huh?
Yeah.
See, movements are cleaner now. Last week, London session week. Dead.
Wait, how long's the timeout?
Done really, right? No?
I think it might be done by now.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm still on timeout.
How do you know?
I can't comment. I can't chat.
As in you press enter, it doesn't send?
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyways, I think on hindsight it was a good close because I would have put my stop loss to 800, and it would have like closed me out, I guess.
Good close on which time frame?
No, as in yesterday when it closed 100 pips.
Where?
Because when it continued going up, I would have put my stop loss to 800.
800. Wait, let me see. Why 800? Wasn't it below this?
No.
This one here?
Yeah. Here lah. That's not 800.
Oh, yeah, then this stupid week would have got you. No, but you would have only put it in after it broke, right?
No, the trade closed here, like around here, this area. So when it went up, I would have.
Oh, you would have put it here. Then this candle would have got you already.
Yeah.
Yeah, this candle got me also when it came down. Yeah. Range, then oops. Got me at 1 hour.
Bro, you see the gold trade, yeah? Well done for closing that shit.
Yeah, man.
Before.
Yeah.
Cause man.
Yeah, insane. You just bleh, just puked after that.
Anyways, I'm thinking this is a new support over here. Could be a new support where it respects and bounce off. A minor support to go up. Don't you think so?
1 second, this area, right? This area?
Yep.
No, because the candle broke. See this one and this one. It just went right through it. That's why earlier on, when y'all were afraid of this thing, right? Like it didn't mean anything. Like the support here, it was the top one.
Oh.
Yeah, because 2 candles went up and down. So this area here is nothing. It's just a pause. Support created from previous resistance. Okay. That's 3. Better entry happened in Asia, but still. Okay. Spencer, but okay, because this is in hindsight, right? Because you saw the big move after that, but would you have been concerned about, because you see how this candle closed, the one that you marked out, right? This one. This whole area is resistance. Even though it broke the previous highs, would you then have been concerned about the resistance and only taken it on the next candle breaking out? Because even if it broke the wick high, it was still below that rejection area. Oh, we took it off the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, then it doesn't matter. 4 hour trumps 15 structure. Nadim, I'm waiting for, cause what's wrong with my mic? I'm waiting for this candle. I want to see if it can close above this resistance, and then I'll buy it up to 142,600. But if it doesn't close above this, then on the lower time frame, I might be looking for some kind of retest over here to then trade up again to the highs.
So I'm done matching or journaling that. Look at that. Yeah. I'm about to delete all of it. That's what I hate, you know? It's such beautiful work and then you gotta delete it.
Yeah, you just don't want to delete it, don't you?
Nah, I just hate deleting that, but I took a picture of it though, so we good.
True, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah?
Don't you reckon it's looking to sell?
Huh?
No.
No. I will only sell again.
Look at that.
I'll only sell below 600.
Cause like, alright, what I'm seeing here, it's kind of what people say smart money. That's what at the minute. That's what I'm seeing. We had like a.
No, okay, wait. First question: sell to where? If you're telling me sell down to 650, I say yes.
4 hours somewhere there.
Oh, then
But,
yeah, fine. That's fine. But I wouldn't say that it's bearish. You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah. I do see potential that it might come down deeper to this area also. In fact, I even earlier on, before you were on, right? Sorry to cut you off, but like earlier before you were on, I even saw it coming as deep as this area here. Into this, if you are looking at smart money concepts, I'm still thinking that this candle will fail. Which, if I look at it in terms of my strategy, right, it will come into the wait, not this. Hang on. It will come into my 4 hour golden zone, which matches with the imbalance. So that's why I do think that it might come down as well. Yeah, I'm not discounting the sells at all, but that's why I said I will only. That's why I didn't take this area here just now. Yeah, but what do you see?
Oh no, it was like if you look to your left, you had like those equal highs, and then you had the candle that pushed up and broke those highs, and then now I think this morning candle went back and retested that level to maybe to drop it for it to sell now back to the point where you're around the point where you said.
This one, right? In the morning?
Yeah.
So you think on the 4 hour it looks like a head and shoulders too. A little bit.
Not yet, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
So you're thinking if this candle closes bearish like this, you would want to short it down to the 4 hour?
Yeah.
Short it down to 700. Because if let's say you're looking at in terms of your smart money move, right, then wouldn't it be this area that you'll be concerned about if let's say I just draw it out on the 30? Would you be concerned about this area then? Around this 900?
So if I was to sell it out, yeah, I'll sell it, just take profit should be like about 75. 70. No, let's say 75. Yeah, 75 would be a good point. Just before that.
I see 900 though. On the 1530, I see this. Do you not see this? So this area here, I see this, plus I see my resistance. That's why I don't think it will have a very easy time just pushing all the way down to 750.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this block is quite big, I think. Even if I refine it on the 5. Like, yes, you can get this the start of this block, which is I think where you got your 750. But in between, wouldn't there be other blocks as well? Like this one here. No? Unless I'm seeing it wrong. Like this one here. This. Which is the 900 level. And then this area cleared the imbalance, so it's fine. Yeah. Would this block then concern you?
Which block?
The top one here. Ignore my gray area. Hang on.
Not really. Like, because like, if you just zoom it out a little bit, yeah. And if we're gonna consider like all the block, if we look to your left, not a little bit more to your left, that one there.
This one?
Yeah. Once you say like we had like a liquidity void around there, price came back up to maybe fill that liquidity void for price to continue down.
With order blocks, bro, when you're looking at, you can't look too far with order blocks, bro, because they get activated and they get deleted. Sort of say.
Are you talking about this one?
You can't look into the. Into the. Oh, this is 5 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, Cornelius, is it this? This area that you're looking at? Because if it's this, then this already filled it. So this is invalid to me. On the 5 anyway.
Yeah.
Because there was imbalance here, haven't been filled, then all the way, whoop, filled it, then it came back down. Tapped into this new area. That's what I'm seeing. So everything here is done. Now we are in this area of price action really. I mean, that's my understanding. Maybe I'm getting it wrong. I feel like if you, like personally when I use, like I understand how the blocks work, but if I use them in conjunction with support resistance, right, I get the opposite effect. Like when I want to buy, the blocks are telling me to sell. So I use them as like trade management. I don't use my blocks for entry because maybe for me, I'm not as good with the blocks. Maybe you are the opposite. I'm better with my zones. Yeah, so I use the blocks to help me manage the trade a bit better and tighter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh wow, look at that 5 minute 618 fib damn there. Wow, crazy. Mad. Wow.
Might go bearish if this bearish candle closes below 142.015. So it will be a fake out in 30-minute time frame, but only continue 10 pips, hitting 141.904. Yeah. So I drew this based on. So this fit might be a bit lower, but I think the zone's about the same. It's still the gray area, I think, for me. So I'm still watching inside here for another long entry up.
Oh, you're sniping this?
No, it's just an area that I'm watching. Like, let me just delete this. If not, people are gonna think I want to enter. Yeah, that's why I like this area here is very interesting because price keeps testing it.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's a reversal zone.
But if price continues showing bearish candles, it could be a rejection of 142.2. Make a double.
Yes, I don't deny that. Yes, but the thing is, for me, I cannot sell it because if I sell it, I'm going straight into this thing, which is damn dumb because I don't have enough range. But if you don't have this range in your analysis and you want to sell it down to these clean candles, by all means take the entry. But I don't feel comfortable selling when I know this is here.
That's too recent.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm still long bias.
Yeah.
Yeah, you holding 100 pips over there? I would be too.
I'm not in any trade anymore.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you closed out this trade as well?
Yeah, the previous one took my stop.
By accident.
It wasn't an accident. It was because of my EA risk management.
Oh, sorry, it was all planned. Yeah.
He forgot to take it off.
I wish it was planned.
This comment. Yeah, see, it's help for review. Let me see. Oops, shit. I deleted it by accident. Fuck. My bad. I deleted it by accident. Yeah, but if you said now you see, what am I supposed to see? Decal. I don't know. I thought it was a question. Yeah, but what am I supposed to see in this recap? You just type now you see. And what am I supposed to see?
Wait, did he just call you an Asian doll?
He calls me that every day.
Wait, what?
Oh, I didn't see all this. No, we're not playing the drawing game now. There's trades to take. The only reason why we played it is because December was slow. I don't play it every day. People are gonna think I'm an idiot. Yeah. I think there are different. So I'm trying to test to see which kind of platform I should put my recap on. Seems like people like both.
Are you looking to see any kind of rejection from the Fibonacci, Ellie?
To go long?
Yeah, to go long or whatever you're looking for.
Yeah, I'm looking for some kind of support to form inside this green box.
Was there anything to do with Fibonacci or something?
Yeah. The green box is within the golden zone.
Okay.
Yeah. But the thing is this, because this, the reason why I drew it like this is because it broke this green area, which was previous resistance. So I'm expecting it to do some kind of retest inside this area. So I might wait on the 5 or the 15 even. Because if you trade it like how Raja does, he's gonna sell the shit out of this all the way down here. So that's why it's different. I think that's why people are confused.
Yeah.
Raja will sell this.
Yeah, I think he is pretty synced into the market. You know, he sees when the market's going down, when the market's going up, and just waits for the confirmation and bang, just execute.
No, but the thing is, Raja will take the sell because all he wants is to this resistance, which if you really mark it out roughly, it can give you 10. Right? So he can take the trade down. So he goes for 10 pips most of the time. So this area is possible for a sell down into my level. Yeah, versus for me, I will wait in this level to go back up. So I guess it's just different ways of trading.
The safer route is to just wait for support to be formed and then continue going up.
Yeah, but the thing is, you see, people are saying shorts also because you could then say that this is a rejection, new resistance forming of this previous level of rejections also. That's why people want to take shorts down. Plus you have this clean candle here, or these clean candles here. Yeah, so that's why I see them both. I understand what everybody's asking. Yeah, so if let's say you don't, so again I say, if you don't have this green box and you're trying to aim for this string of clean candles, take the trade short. Yeah, because everyone's analysis is different. Ben, I use the wicks. 1 hour broke the low instantly. Not always a good sign for sell. Yeah, I kind of want it to go up first. But either way, Rico is right. So this area is also tight, correct? It's not exactly like 10 to 12 to 15 pips. So if you're selling it, just be careful. But this, if you just look at it based on price action, right? This candle is a strong bearish engulfing. So you have this clean move here. Why should it not go down? It should. It's just how deep it can go.
Really got to work on my discipline of taking one trade a day.
You took another one?
No, I was about to. I turned my magic keys off. My MetaTrader in my trading view. Cause I was seeing how much I would be, how much I'd risk and stuff. It's not good.
Yeah, just close the chart and do something else. You're gonna head to work, right?
Yeah, but I'm leaving in an hour. You ready in an hour? I only live like 5 minutes away from my job.
Oh, okay.
You could probably come tomorrow, like 8 in the morning.
This is resistance, right?
Yeah.
Would I not consider that 61.8 level resistance on lower time frame? Yeah, it is. That's why, like, initially the box was gray. So, because this level here, I saw it as resistance, yes. But I changed it to green because it also has confluence with my Fibs. Yeah, I'm sorry if it's confusing. Because when I change my boxes to green, it means that area is, like, I'm not gonna mess around with it. It's just how I see it. I know my charts are a bit messy.
Yeah, there you have your rejection. Your first rejection.
Need to pee. Be right back.
Just turned on my old phone for the first time in 4 months. This is crazy.
My mom called me an alien.
That's mean. She mad at you or?
Nah.
Okay.
Holy hell! What happened?
Bro.
Oh,
I was a real
what?
candle.
Oh man, you really got me there. What the? I'm like, what?
No, it's an inside joke because the other time, right?
Okay, I'll dislike your video.
It's got a shock that time. Then he went, "I'm scared." That I thought someone drew on the chart, but it wasn't.
You blame me. I still remember.
Yeah, I was like immediately,
Wow.
"What the hell is? Why do you draw on the chart?" Immediately.
Oh my, what the heck?
I didn't even flinch.
No, I didn't even flinch
did.
too.
I'm like, how is that possible? It even went down there to the times. I'm like,
I had
what
to
happened?
look at my chart. Just to make
Yeah, me
sure.
too. Wow, you got me there.
I think it went all the way to the toolbar.
He went beyond the toolbar, guys. It was damn obvious.
Yeah, it's rejecting the 50%, which is also a floor on the 15-minute. Interesting. Oh, there we go. Gonna take a paper trade.
Gotta look at gold just now. We were looking at it. See, this candle was closing. It didn't close below. Thank God. I waited for the close. This one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, gold's literally just ranging down. And
Yeah.
and look how beautiful structure is though.
Exactly.
On a 30-minute, it's like break, retest, continuation. And then it's doing it again. Break. Let's see, retest. It continues a little bit and it stopped. So
yeah.
Structure is beautiful on gold for the first time in years. Let's see. It's that 5-minute drip. Someone's sharing you WD-40.
Yeah, that's me.
Man, come on, bro.
It's about to break.
He's too heavy.
Yeah, I became a sick
Yeah,
bro.
I hear it, bro. That junk's massive, bro. Yeah, I really wanted to dip down and close back out in the range.
GG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See it dipping down real quick, grabbing some liquidity and some money, slowly making support, and then retesting those highs.
Yeah.
142, 135.
It's just that the level at 142.2 is a strong level. So it's
Yeah, I was
not gonna
looking
break
back
so
in
easily.
history. Yeah, I need news for that or something.
Yeah.
I was looking on a daily back in history. That stuff was respected.
148. Yeah, a few times inside this area.
Mhm.
Oh, is it snowing in the UK?
What?
Is it snowing
Let
in
me
the
just
UK?
quickly look. Let me
Not
just
in the-
quickly look out the window.
I don't
It's
know.
raining. but
No, it's
not
raining.
Maybe not where you guys are.
Nah, we're too far south. We're too far south. More like that. Remember what I said, daily level.
It's gonna snow here at 3 p.m.
Really?
Yeah,
Man, that's bullshit.
I don't live in London, so
Oh,
wait,
Yorkshire is snowing. Oh my god, why am I so blur?
Oh, Yorkshire.
What the shit? Why is my camera so blur?
Yeah, that's back up there.
You can send a picture inside the Discord if you want.
Oh my days! Someone sent a chart. No way. In the YouTube.
Yeah. Zulu has been taking trades on dollar CHF this week.
Oh wait, Zulu's a regular actually.
Yes.
So of course he's gonna know how.
Yeah. What do I think of your analysis?
Enough said.
What an in-depth analysis.
Like, are you
guess.
Zulu? Are you looking to TP here? Are you looking to wait for resistance? Oh, I don't know. Come on, you've sent charts. Yeah, are you waiting for resistance, or are you just gonna sell it when it breaks the wick? Yeah, tell me more. Tell me your life story.
Gola chart.
Yeah.
So
Unless
look at the 15-minute. Right at your zone, L.
Yep.
This is a perfect re-entry. I'm about to re-enter. Fuck it.
Ooh, if this 5-minute closes closes above this previous red 5-minute, oh man.
Yeah, it engulfed, rejected off of a resistance. I see another push coming before it. I'm about to really reduce risk.
Gola took a trade.
Head off to sleep. All the best for your.
You took a trade, L?
No, you said you took a trade. Thought you're done.
How to?
No.
Bro, look at this. This perfect textbook, man.
What the? Oh.
This it engulfed 5-minute rejected, flipped bullish. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is, man. Look at the 30-minute reject.
If it can close strong, I'm gonna paper trade this.
Yeah, no. Okay, another way to look at it. Look at this support here on the 15. This candle broke. So I'm not about to touch it on the 5. Even though it's inside the box already. Yeah.
Yeah. If it closes back above that thing you circled, then
yeah.
Good.
It's rejecting at a 618 area, no?
Yes, but do I want to take this on the 5-minute close? Maybe not. Because on the 15 it already broke below its previous support. Yeah. But it's holding the wick area, yeah.
I see.
Yeah, so I might just wait for the 15 to close. It's not solid enough yet for me.
Yeah.
Plus at this time, right, it's shitty volume. So my 5-minute entries are always at volume times. Not now. I might get trapped.
It's a nice range back up though. Clean candles.
Yeah, it is.
15 pips. Let's see what the stop loss would be. 6 pips. I'm about to shoot.
Below the wick, below the zone.
Actually, I gotta be patient.
Yeah, no
The 15 minutes about to retrace back.
Yeah.
A little bit.
The next one might go like zoop, grab, and then go out.
Honestly, I think I'm about to miss this. It's done. Look at that. Yeah, missed it.
Wow.
Been a profit. Would have been a profit.
Preta, is this your backyard?
6 pips. Alexa, you grabbed it?
Yeah, paper though. I ain't going live yet.
Goodness. 2 trade setups in in an hour and a half. Man, crazy day today. Oh.
Yep, exactly. Be careful.
Yeah, I would have had the 10 pips. So.
No, I don't think so. How?
Yeah.
Where?
Cowboy. Oh, 8.5 pips.
Where? This one only went for like 4.8.
At the touch. Bow.
Oh.
Touching my zone. Yeah. I had 8 pips. Ooh.
Yep. Exactly what I said. Be careful.
Oh, goodness gracious, man. That shit said psych. Psych! Got him!
Yeah.
And then you got me with my big ass mouth. Oh, that's the second trade I traded that 1 hour and a half.
Thank God you didn't take. You didn't take,
I was
right?
about to though.
Thank God.
No.
Turn off the magic keys, throw it far away.
They're on though, still. All I have to do is hit open trade. I have my perimeter.
Just check the bad results.
I have my perimeter set with less risk.
His batteries need to die.
I got Duracell now.
Uh-oh.
I don't have those here. I still have them here. What are they called here? Topcraft. Get out of here, Topcraft. It is rejecting it though. It's and respecting on the 5-minute.
$141,729. Here. Yeah, Stunner, I like it. Just basically avoid this area. Shitty area, do not trade here. Avoid this. Yeah, it's the area I'm avoiding also. Previously, before the stream started, I put it in red. It's playing inside.
At a closed half already, seeing as it made a 5 and this. But then again, it might just reject again for a baby top wick. Regardless, still the closed half.
I'm gonna dance inside here because there's no volume.
Mm.
Let me check. Nope, no news. Not till New York. Like the stream. I think people didn't like the stream because I didn't call anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always like that.
It's really be that.
Yeah.
But still.
Is Forex Factory paying me? No. None of them are paying me except YouTube.
Is it anything worthwhile from YouTube or not really?
No, it's nothing much. See, I don't even mind showing you guys. Raja has like 50 plus K subscribers. That's why he has a decent amount of revenue, but it took like more than 3 years. Yeah, but see, overall.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's not much. This was in the last previous 28 days, 265. That's about it. Could I do a reanalysis of gold? Jace Gold didn't do much. It's still ranging. So he rejected 61.8. It's just playing inside here now until it breaks this grey area, which is previous support on the left, to fill the wick. If not, it's just going to range inside. What's my plan on GJ today? Let's see. I want to long. But it's not forming properly. Yeah, I think I'm only going to take my next trade in New York. This is disgusting. Range.
Yeah, it slowed down a lot, no?
Yep. Here, let's look at Zulu's trade. Let's see his markup. Will I have... Oh! Zulu, wrong chart. Nope. Oh, I have taken the entry on the close of 5 PM 15-minute candle. Close of 5 PM 15-minute candle. No. Jace, I'll never take anything inside here. Oh, that's me. When it ranges like that, I don't take anything. But I trade gold on the 1 hour. So you need to understand that as well. So I usually wait for the structure to break. Because this whole area here is like all wicks on the 30 even. So nah, I'm not gonna touch it. with this current 30-minute clearing the wicks to the left. No, Jace, it didn't. Look at where it closed. Look at all the wicks and where it ended. Don't force it, man. If you just draw a line through the average, right? The body didn't even break. Nah. If it's messy on the lower time frames, use the higher time frame support to see. See these bodies here? This was where price kept tapping into. Draw a line at the bodies, nothing close below. So if it's me, I'm not gonna touch it. One hour rejected daily resistance. Close below the previous 1 hour, okay. Yeah, Zulu, what's this area? Yeah, I'm not sure what this is because I can't really see on the chart and I don't really want to flick, but if you have taken some profits here because of this support, then yes, that's correct. The next area will be here. So it's nothing really to do with the wicks, but if you look at structure, this level of support should test next if you want to take it. But just understand that on the 4 hour, it is ranging very hard. It's just printing side by side, so. And it's bullish. My plan on GJND, long. I'm still looking for longs. The only shorts is below 600 or 550. Yeah, but this area here, right? Initially, so I drew up this fib based on the 30, so I'm watching for it to form support to continue higher. But the range I know is very tight from here to here. 30, if I can get a decent entry. But if it breaks below this 78 fib, right, then I'm just going to wait for it around the 4 hour zone already. But this looks interesting because it doesn't have a bottom wick. When are you planning to start your next challenge? Use your own money. Okay. Maybe change the copier. Try the FX Blue one. Anyway, it's free.
This shit could be a good buy though, the way it's setting up on the 5-minute. And the 15 and the 30. Let's see the 30.
You're looking into GBP JPY?
Yeah. It's a retracement.
Do you guys use 5 minutes as entry in an uptrend?
Yeah, sometimes. Because this one, like El said, this one doesn't have a bottom wick. The 15-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. 1 hour is rejecting on the 7640 level. So I think slowly but surely about to retest to the, let's see.
You might range here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yep.
It's one of those two options, or it's gonna break right back above the range, or it's gonna range. One of the two.
It's the we're going to the low volume time already.
Break time nearly.
Zulu, I haven't started the challenge. How many pips did GJ move today? Let's measure. 60. He's not back yet.
Oh yeah, if it forms support or resistance on a 5-minute, that'll be scary for buys.
Yeah, the price is just ranging here. No action, no nothing.
Yeah. Janet, I think you drew the wait. Hi. What? Can Google also.
Do you guys know how to connect two trading terminals together? Do you know how to do that?
You're a bit loud. I didn't really catch what you were saying.
Me?
No.
The brother that just talked.
Hey L.
Yeah.
For example, there's two trading account you're managing. You know, do you know how you can actually like open and close positions simultaneously on two of the managed account together? Can you, by any chance, can you like place orders, close orders together on the server? Is there
I
any
use
chance?
a trade copier. Yeah.
How does it work? How does it work?
Uh.
Is it called trade copier?
Yeah, this one.
You grooving in the background, ain't you?
Yeah, we just watching this Bollywood movie.
Yeah, this one. They have it for MT4 and 5. So you have one main account, do everything on the main account. Even if you close partials on the main account, it will do the same on the smaller account. Or bigger account. Yeah, so this is the one I use and it's free. Jerry, I use telegraphic transfer or bank transfer on the Pepperstone platform. Visa debit might have 0 transaction fees, but if you didn't activate it in your bank, you will not be able to do it. Let's see.
Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today?
Hey, Vonti.
Hey, you alright?
It's been busy all night, so finally got enough time to hang out with you guys.
I'm a bit confused how you drew the fibs, Janet. Is it like that?
Oh, cool. That's German.
What? Where's he drawing at?
No, I'm trying to understand how she drew this. Yeah, Janet, you drew it from bottom up, right? Then it's wrong, I think. Because I'm trying to figure out how you drew it.
Sorry. Yeah, from bottom up.
No. You can't draw it backwards. You're drawing it from here to here. No.
Yep.
You draw it forward. So you drew this from here to here. So you literally went like this. But you're trying to forecast price action in the future. So you gotta draw it forward. So for example, like in this area here, right? If I want to know how far these areas will retrace to, I need to draw my fib forward. So for example, like this. From here forward, bottom left to top right, basically.
Oh, I think that's my.
You drew it the wrong way.
Because no, so it's not about going from top to bottom or bottom to top. It's also about drawing it forward or backwards. I think, yeah.
Yeah, go forward. Always go towards the right, regardless whether you draw it top down or bottom up. Always towards the right. Drag your mouse to the right. Always.
I didn't know that affected the coordinates if you went left or right.
Yeah.
Okay. But irrespective of the fib, am I right to say waiting for price to come down and retrace back up from support and go back up?
Sorry again?
I said irrespective of the fib. So if we ignore the fib now, am I correct to analyze the trade as waiting for price to come down and go back up? I was watching it on the 30 minutes.
What was the question again?
No, she's asking whether it should be correct to look at it to go long. I think right now, right, you gotta be careful first because it's at support here. Yeah, see this? On the even if it's on the 30, it's the same area. See? Support here, right? Yeah. Look at how it broke. So the looking for buys is not wrong, but you gotta watch the lower time frame structure to see whether it's breaking the minor levels, because sometimes it might be just going for a deeper retracement on the higher time frame.
Okay.
Wow, look at this 4-hour candle. What the heck on GJ? If this candle closes bullish, you think it'll fill the wick? Or you think buyers are done?
This current one on the 30?
On the 4-hour on GJ. Look at GJ.
You think the buys are done?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I don't.
Look at the wick on the 4-hour.
I don't.
If that closes bearish, forget.
Yeah, because
Because we could feel the wick.
yes.
Possibly. I don't know. There has to be like some kicker volume in New York, but
Yep.
possibly.
Because what this candle is telling me, right, is that they managed to push it up. They just didn't have enough gas to close above. So the next one is going to try again. Unless it closes bearish, then it's going to form a new support. Yeah, but either way, it's still going up. It's just that it's not juiced up yet.
Yeah, this 15-minute has to close bullish. Otherwise, it's done.
Are you guys any trades now?
I am. I took a trade. Just now, actually. I'm up 3 pips. But it's stupid, I think.
Okay.
And I took a trade this morning, and I won that one.
I trade based on a higher time frame. Do I trade during the day and not only in pre and open of London and New York session? Wow. Wait. Okay. I take pre-London. I take London Open. Anything after London Open till pre-New York, I don't touch it. Because there's no volume. Even if a setup presents, I don't touch it. Because if it presents, let's say if it presents on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, maybe. But if it presents on the lower time frame, I don't touch it. Because what will happen is I will get chopped sideways in the range. I'll just be waiting. So I might as well wait for volume to come in, then I take a trade.
So if we close back above this range, then I do see price filling that wick New York session, because then that would just been a fake out and a liquidity grab to keep pushing up for New York. All it needs to do is close above this range with the 1 hour candle.
Possibly.
Just a thought too. If you look at a 30-minute chart, if you look to the left of where it tried to was pushing now, is back to that structure I was talking about.
Yeah. This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Go further, like further out. See that structure?
Yes.
141.84, 141.84.
Wait, where? You can draw on my chart. I think controls on top.
141.83 or 141.84. Yep, so right in that area there.
This area? Or like this area?
So it has a little bit of structure there that is starting to hold a bit. So if it gets past that, you'll more than likely start seeing it go down. But it looks like it's starting to hold a bit.
Boy, I caught this one by the tail, man.
I think because this one didn't have a bottom wick on the 30. And it was within that range ready to bounce. So if we look at it on the... Yep.
I do have a trade right now. It's the 141.56. So my TP is 142.57. I took that off of a high to high. From if you look at 141.38 and then fib that to the high of 142.23.
What time frame is your fib?
30-minute.
3.8.
Yeah, so 141.38.
I have nothing though. It's all bodies on the 30.
What?
It's all bodies. I don't have 38. You started the thing on the 30 on 141.38, right?
Yeah. So if you look at the point, you see the point of the previous high or where
Wait, Bonte, you can draw on the chart. Cause you can. I allowed it. Just don't draw stuff on it. Don't draw weird shit.
Okay.
Yeah, because you get what I mean. Like you see, 144.38 is if you look at my cursor on the right. All I have is this big body. That's why I'm confused.
How do I? Sorry, I don't know Zoom very well. How do I?
I think it's on the top. There's a view option and then draw. It's like a pencil.
View option on the top.
Or bottom. Do you see a green and red thing on your screen?
Okay, view options.
Annotate.
I see request remote control.
No, annotate.
Annotate. Okay.
Yeah. Then go to draw.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is a fit from there to there. That's the high to high.
Oh. What? Oh, wow. Okay, this I don't understand.
Yeah. So that was from part of the reason why I did that.
He's really scaling out.
Yeah, so part of the reason for that is because that was because of the previous volume from when it came up. It broke my previous long-term TP to the point where instead of hitting the TP and coming down, it just broke through it because of the volume. So having a high to high, is at a decent. It's at a decent. It has enough volume that you could start looking for high to highs because of all the buyers coming in. So if you look from there, you'll see it should have a 78.6.
I've never drawn a fib like this.
So see, it hit that 78.6 right there. So I looked from there, and I wanted to get a little bit more confluence. I also, if you scale out a little bit more with the 30-minute, if that's possible.
Some more?
Yeah, go. Yeah, I actually had one. Nope. Where you had it before was fine. Yep. So I actually had it. Here, go in a little bit more. Yeah, so I actually had it. Where was it? Right here. Oh, sorry, my fault. Exit that again. A fib right here. From that point to that point. And it just grazes a 38.2. It front ran out a bit, but I wanted to check a little bit more. So if you go all the way to a daily, you'll see a little bit of resistance in that area.
Oh shit. So wait, my fib is inside. Hang on.
Oh wow, I caught a beautiful entry, man. I'm up 11 pips.
This area?
Half. So it's scale out a little bit more with the daily. A little bit more. Okay. Yep. So right at that. So right at that point right there, you put a resistance point right there. And then go back into your 30-minute. You'll see it hit it perfectly.
But why that random wick?
When it comes to
shit, I can't find the wick now. Yeah, I lost the wick. This one?
No. Hold on. You gotta scale in a little bit more. Okay, stop. That one right there.
Oh, okay, wait.
Right where price continuously comes in and comes out at.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right there. It's at times where price rejected and came back down multiple times. It part of the reason why I did that, because it rejected the price multiple times. It broke and rejected, broke and rejected, broke and popped up, broke and popped up, broke and popped back up, broke price again, came back down. Another time it passed up a little bit, but eventually came back down, and now it just recently broke it again and bounced off. So it's hit this price area. It hit that price area multiple times. So it was just another area. It wasn't the know all be all, but it was another area to look for to see what price will do.
Okay.
So pretty much what I did, I combined support and resistance along with fibs to give myself a best educated guess of where I would want to take a trade. And since it worked really well with my 78.6, the support and resistance, and if you see there on the 30-minute chart, it tapped that price multiple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have a trade right there. I mean, you can even go even deeper with that. So since I have a short-term bias going up to the TP of 142.57, I have a bias that's going to keep going up. So the way I do this is I trail it from here through fibs. So if you look at where the support and resistance one at 141.57.
Yeah. Right? This area here, right?
Yep. You fib from here to here. And it hit the 61.8 perfectly. And it not only broke the 23.6, but it tapped that 61.8 perfectly and came back down. So what I did is I trailed my stop, although just right below the 61.8. So right now what I'm looking at is...
Would you then shift the fibs from here to here?
Yep, so the fibs right from here to here.
Yeah. Then you trail it again.
And I'm trailing from here. Yeah, trailing it below the 78.6. Now keep in mind I'm fibbing to my TP because my bias is in the short term in this particular time that it's going to go up to my TP. So that's my short-term bias.
Yeah, you move your fibs every time a new swing forms.
Right.
Yeah.
Because in every point in time, new fibs form. It's just fibs continuously battling with each other to break each other's levels. Once those levels break, that's when new fibs form. Because again, all it is really just people, all that really is just people just breaking fibs, hitting the TP, and then taking the profits off. Hitting fibs, TP, taking the profits off.
Folks,
that works.
I gotta get going.
Bye, Gola.
Second trade stops at break even. About to hit TP.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yes. All right. Have a good evening, guys. Or day. Peace out.
Bye. See ya.
Have a good day, man.
Wait, so okay, when it hit near 61, right? Did it have to hit this first before you shifted it? That's my question.
Yeah. So what I sometimes do, since the volume was recent like that, I did a high to high from here to here, which it blew through those levels, which was fine for me because I'm just trailing. I'm not trying to trade it.
Yeah.
But the level, the fib I was really looking at was that one from here to here.
Yeah. If not for the lack of volume, I would have taken the long. Because I was already waiting. That's why I had that green box drawn up. Yeah, but the 4-hour close bullish. So for me, 4-hour close bullish, wick fill is imminent. 1 hour also held support within this level of fibs that I was looking at, this whole area. Yeah, making a higher low continuously on the 30-minute and the 1 hour. So yeah, I still like the longs though. I'm also aiming for 142,600, same as you.
Nice. But yeah, again, price can do whatever it wants, so that's why I'm just slowly trailing it up, just gaining pips as it goes. I did like how it went right back to that structure from yesterday. So that's why right now I'm still pretty confident that it'll just keep going up to those levels.
Yeah, to me, how I read this is the same as what happened here, like what Anuj was telling me. This area, same shit. It's repeating the same pattern. It's like support, rejected support. Oh my god, now it repeated the same thing. Support, rejected support on the 1 hour. 30 minutes, like repeating the same thing. So I'm considering if I want to take an entry to hold it all the way up. The only problem now is volume for me. But I know that I just need to wait for about 45 minutes and then my volume will kick in. And my stop loss has space. Yeah, but I'm going to see if it can form a lower wick for me before I take the trade.
Yeah, because that's why I like this group. It has different ideas because you go off of volume. I go off of where price is at the time.
Yeah. Because if I take this now and I get chopped inside, not wrong, it's just damn early.
Right.
Yeah. Because patience, like, I'm patient, but there is a limit to my patience. If I know I'm waiting in no man's land, like now I know if I enter now, I'm really, really asking to test my patience.
Yeah, we don't want that.
No, but it should be going up. This is beautiful structure.
Well, I always say don't tell the market what it should do.
Yeah.
Just
react.
React to what it's going to do. You can't say market you're gonna do this.
Yeah. You're gonna get smacked.
Yeah, they'll be like, okay.
The market's gonna do the opposite.
Yeah.
It knows it's your thoughts.
Yeah.
Exactly. Right.
Yeah, Nadim, I am looking at this 30-minute support forming. I want to see a lower wick. So I'm thinking it might come down from some kind of lower wick. And then if it flips, I'll take it long. So once it reaches this area, I'll put my stops at break even.
Sometimes what I like to do too as well is to stack fibs to give me a little bit of a. If you sometimes when you stack fibs, it gives you a little bit of confidence in your directions. So I also have, of course, I have that fib there.
Yeah.
But I also have the fib from there to there, which has a 61.8.
Yeah. Yeah, all the golden zones are tying up.
and it's right in this structure here. So like I said, that's why I was saying if it gets through that structure and starts testing these lows and then breaking these lows, yeah, it'll definitely go back down.
But look at how many times it tested. Look at this area. Oh
yeah,
my god.
It'll do that. It'll do that. Market loves testing your patience.
Exactly, man. Yeah, this is 50 and 61.8. Ooh, juicy.
Okay, there we go.
Looks like 141, 943, and 825. 943, 825. So, look like trend. 30-minute looks like a good bullish trend for entries to push to upside. Yeah. Yay, come on, man. Give me a lower wick. I like it.
Yeah, so I think right now, if you go from there to there, it's testing that's the recent sell-off is testing
38.
a 38.22 right now.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for it to start breaking these levels to give me even more confidence in my trade.
Do you use your fibs with 23.6 or without?
I do sometimes. I only use it only when it goes, completely off the rails if I really have to. Sometimes I don't even like really using the 38.2, but sometimes volume just likes to push up, so you have to use it as a reference sometimes.
Yeah, if the momentum is strong, the 38.2 will hold.
Right.
Yep, yep.
Yeah, because the main fibs I use is the 50 and the 61A is the main areas I look for. The 78.6 is, is the last hurrah for any direction.
Yeah. If this follows the structure that it did before, when Raja comes on, we are going to see a push. It's gonna be the same shit. Yeah, because when he comes on, that's when the volume comes. Like, it's at that. I mean, it's at the same time. So. Yeah, I made a lower wick on the 30.
Right. So for me, like I said, it's this battle of the fibs. Who's gonna win, the short term or the long term?
When was this? Yeah, Vin, I think someone took the same trade also. Impulse entry at London Open. Nice catch.
Right, thank you, El.
Bye,
See you
Missa.
tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.
That green zone is where you want to trade from.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm looking, because it already broke the previous big high. I think it's gonna go up. Just thinking if I want to enter now or later on the hour close. Because if I enter later and the hour close, my risk reward to this area is gonna be kind of shitty. Because then I would have to hold it all the way till 142,600.
Did you enter?
No, I didn't yet.
Ooh. Are you waiting for candle break? Yeah, now it's a bit too late, eh?
No, it's not. There's no volume yet. I'm just thinking.
If you're mentally prepared to hold through the lack of volume, then
Yeah, that's why.
shit.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking, can I hold through the volume?
Well, what's in your plan? What's in your trade plan? Do you I mean, because you have to think about it this way. You should get to a point where you should be having, no matter whether you win or lose, you should be having stress-free trades. That no matter what happens, you're fine.
Yeah, like I'm fine. It's just that, do I want to wait? Like, do I want to wait through the chop, or do I want to take it on the hour close? That's my two options now, or at least the 30 close.
What you did? Well, what I think you just said. Where it's at now, it doesn't have a good risk to reward, right?
So you see how I have two levels here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's both of them are positive.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's just that based on where the bodies are closing on the 4 hour, this area is the first area that I'll be more concerned about rather than the wick. Because if you can reach this area, it's gonna reach this. I don't have any issues with this. It's just, do I want it now? Because let's say I take it on the 30-minute close, right? Then I will not be aiming for these anymore. It would be just straight anticipation that this is gonna break. And then I'll hold it for longer. So my entire mindset is different. So I'm thinking of two trades now. One is I'm taking it as an intraday session trade. Here all the way to these two areas. Second one is I'm gonna hold it all the way to here. So if I'm holding all the way to there, I can take my time with my entry. So.
It's starting to push up now. So.
Yep.
Like I said, just follow your plan and do what you think is best. You got it.
You know what amuses me? This is going to repeat. I see this candle now. This 1 hour closing below this resistance. The next one's gonna fly through. I literally see it.
I believe if you look at the recent sell-off, I believe it just tested the 50.
Yeah.
So it broke through 38, so now it has to break through the 50%.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour because I know this big candle is coming. The way it's forming is doing what it's doing just now. Then I'll have volume also, and then I'll aim for the week high. Yeah, I'll just wait. Yeah, Andy, I think I'll wait for the 1 hour because see what I'm seeing, right, is weekly is definitely not a problem for me. It's definitely going to that 142 level. 142.6, 100%. It's like 90% even. It's going there. It's just whether it's today or by Friday. Yeah, daily I have no issues with it as well. It's already forming support. Strong bullish candle, barely made a lower wick. Held that support as well. On the 4 hour, yeah, it's bullish left. Price managed to push past that previous resistance. It's gonna fail. So now all I gotta do is wait for the 1 hour to give me the correct signal to take it all the way to 142.6. My risk reward is still there. Yeah, I don't have to rush it.
Interesting. Cool.
Yeah. Because I'm fine having a slightly bigger stop, as long as it means that my structure is solid enough to hold. Because if I take the 1 hour close, my stop will be here, so it's beats having it below here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
Yeah, it's gonna be tighter.
Yeah, your trading style is interesting, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's the thing about trading. Every single style can win.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
that's like I keep telling people.
Yeah. It's just that you gotta trust your style and not keep swinging to other people's style.
Exactly.
Yeah. And this resistance here? You're concerned about this, right?
That could be one. Well, it already
broke.
It already broke.
Yeah.
So if it does decide to come down a bit, that's probably the area it's gonna want to retest next.
Yeah. Yeah, because just now someone was asking, like the guys also, they were afraid like this area would cause their trade long just now to come back down, but it's not, because it broke here and it broke down when it came down also. So I think this area is like not very relevant anymore. So even though it pushed inside this area, look at how much more it went up. Yeah, so I think it's gonna continue. Because this, I like this wick rejection. Same as this.
And
You're
if
waiting
you look,
for the half an hour or 1 hour to close?
One. No.
Yeah, that would make sense.
I can't wait for the half because the half has already gone. Because on the half, right, like this one, the support was already there. If I wanted to take the entry, it should have been here. When this thing made a small wick down, flip bullish, I should have taken the entry there. Stop loss below to the daily high. I should have taken it here when it flipped, but because I was not that sure yet on the 30, plus I didn't want to wait inside this timing.
Looks like that candle is gonna go.
Yep. Because I was also considering if this 1 hour can break the previous 1 hour wick high, do I want to start stacking positions? So I could stack one here, same TP, and then stack one at the close. So it depends. I've got many different ways I can manage this. Because I have a lot of range here. The good thing is I have a lot of area here to play with. So it's just managing my risk reward now.
But you're not in a trade at the moment, are you?
No, not yet.
I don't know, entering at this time is not a lot of volume, and just I don't know.
It's uncomfortable.
Yeah, because often or not, the next 30 minutes or an hour can just range.
Yes.
That's what I'm hesitant.
Yep, same. Exactly the same.
For me, if I wanted to trade, like if I wanted to take it right now, it's kind of a no man's land. That's just for me. Because it's still near that. Excuse me. Still near that area right there. So it could go either way.
Yep. Which is why like I really took my time to analyze this, because I know I have a lot of time now. Because price is gonna be really slow at this time. That's why I took my time to analyze it, whether I wanted to take a trade. I don't see it going whoop. Not yet. No, I think this 4 hour could fill the previous week, yes. That's why I want to take a long. Okay. Buy stop active taken on this candle closing with a wick above for price to move into. Okay. Also close above previous resistance. Higher high structure for price. Yeah, great. This looks valid. Just for me personally, I wouldn't have. I don't know if you enter on the 30 or the 15, but this is late for me on the 15. Very late, in fact. I would have entered here. Fill this wick, and then fill the rest of the candles. But if you took it on the 30, then I think this should be the correct entry.
Oh man, that's fine.
What, GJ?
No, sorry, I'm looking at the indices right now. I missed the entry, but it's fine.
What time can you start trading the, let's say, the US S&P 500 or the Nasdaq?
I mean, if you want to trade overnight, you can start at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, 6, right? Not anything earlier than that, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
they say 24 hours, but technically trading stops from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And of course, it's 5 days out of the week, Monday to Friday. So you could pretty much trade anytime from 6 p.m. all the way to 5 p.m. the next day. But of course, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is when pretty much the market starts to close down. Everybody stops really trading. Volume is just dead.
Yeah. So anything before 5 Eastern, you're just kind of pushing it, right? Like there's not really much volume for you to trade.
Well, yeah. For like, if I try to trade from 4 to 5, the price isn't really gonna move that much. I do trade overnight sometimes. I do trade the London session. I do trade the New York session. So, of course, if you want to get the most volume, especially in the indices, it's of course from 9:30 to 9:30 to 4. That's when everything starts to really move. What's that? Come on.
Ooh, looks like gold is breaking its support. I closed my gold trade yesterday. After it held the 78.6 outside. Oh, when the 1 hour closed, I was like, I'm out. I'm not gonna leave you alone. You're not ready to go up. Yeah.
That was a fun trade though. I like that trade. That was fun.
It was a roller coaster. It went up, down, up, down. Tested you.
You're like, what is the?
Yeah, man.
Welcome to trading.
Yeah. What a way to take the first gold trade. Ochen, I think you're in the wrong channel.
Looking at the 30-minute,
Mm-hmm.
it's looking like it's bouncing off the 900 level.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking of buys.
Yeah, so am I. So am I.
If you
Once
put
it
a
gets bullish,
Yeah, Bante go.
there's a point right now in GBP JPY. It's 141.96. If you look at that area there, and then go
but this
back a bit.
timing there's not much volume here.
Yeah. Now, if you look at
96. What
yeah,
time frame?
30-minute, but you,
Okay.
yeah, yep.
Okay.
141.96. It hits that point multiple times.
Mm.
Yeah, it's hit it multiple times.
Do you start drawing I feel like this is some kind of midpoint line in this entire structure here.
Correct. It is a midpoint line.
It is, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
it's like you would have okay, let me know if my understanding is wrong. Like would you start to spot it when you have like this odd candle popping up?
What do you mean by spot?
Like how would you put this line down? Starting, what would be your first signal to put it down? This? After it held the 78.6 outside.
Yeah, so my first my first indication would be that.
Mm.
And then I usually like to have at least 3 indicators. So I was looking at that as well.
Yeah.
The recent price action.
And then this, right?
Right.
And then it's inside the fib.
Right. So every structure has its own structure.
Mm.
And so you could look at that structure to make your decisions.
Mm. Mm.
So that's what I mean. Like in every point in time, price is always battling out with each other.
Mm.
Just like I told you about that daily level that was constantly being hit back and forth, back and forth. It's doing the same thing here. It hit it multiple times. Hit it about hit it, tapped it, rejected 3 to 4 times. Right here, broke through here. Yeah, broke through here, broke through here, rejected here. So it's a magnum. It's a magnum to wanting to come here, reject and break through, reject and break through.
Yeah. Now it's above.
So if I do day trading, that's for me. That's just one of the things I look for. What if I am going to trade? What are the prices that are like magnums on my chart?
Interesting. Your zones are a little different from mine. Because you have this as well. Yeah, but I understand this midpoint line thing. I read it before. That's why when you plot it now, I was like,
Now again, that's just a midpoint line. I wouldn't necessarily use that as a resistance level.
Yeah.
But it's just an area of interest to look for me.
It's like a line where it's basically segregating the two ranges.
Correct.
Yeah.
again giving me more confidence in what price wants to do.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Dimitri, I'm looking for gold to break this area also. Now it's holding. So if we look at the 1 hour, as long as this 1 hour body is not broken, like as long as candles don't close below this 1 hour body, I'm not touching the trade yet. Gold is gonna bounce. It has bounced a lot of times. Boing. Yeah, look at the 30. This is wicked, man. Wicked. I'm gonna put a line here.
Oh wow, I love it.
Yep.
And if you see too, remember that area I was talking about before?
This one?
The transactional area from 1855 to 1851. So if you look at a point, the 1851.94, it just tapped that and then just sold off immediately.
Yeah, this whole area. No, not so high, sorry. 55 right here.
Yeah, so about 1852, 1851, right in that area there. Just tapped it and sold off immediately.
Yeah.
So like I said, that zone was just another magnet for price.
Yeah, I would have looked at it in a sense that this thing went into the resistance close below my 4 hour resistance. And then when this candle came down like that, it's confirming that today we're coming down lower. Yeah, but then I wouldn't be able to get my entry here, of course.
Right.
Yeah, I would only be somewhere below here now. Do I think it would be a good idea to trade on the day when Biden is sworn into office, or leave it a day before he sees? So trade before or after? Honestly, I don't really care. He's already in, so nothing's gonna change. I think it's done. It's a done deal. He just has to put his hand on the book. I think you can trade already. He's already in. Overall trend is up. To take a buy must respect support created after Asian. Must respect support created above Asian highs. Okay. And also above 142. One support is formed. We'll wait for engulfing bullish candle. Yeah, I think we're looking for the same area. Yeah, Moses, it's the same area that we're looking at, these two, and top and bottom. So this area, I don't really want to force lower time frame entries.
Good morning, ladies.
I'm the only lady.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, no, good morning.
now you can. You took it.
No, I didn't. I'm waiting for the
Oh.
hour to close. I don't.
This looks so tempting.
Yeah,
The thing is the time we are at right now. The
That's
setup
why.
looks perfect.
Yep.
But
That's
the
why.
time,
Yeah, that was my only problem with it.
yeah.
Yeah.
For me, if this happened at like in 2 hours, that would be the perfect trade.
Yep. In fact,
Like London Open, New York Open. Sorry.
Yeah. In fact, anytime like from now onwards, I'm okay to enter. Like
From now?
Yeah, 6:45 my time. I start to see volume kick in, starting from now till when Raja comes on. Then boop, it has that quick push.
So Roger has that effect.
No, as in
Yeah.
it's not him. It's just I've noticed that that window.
he gives the volume to the market.
Yeah, but there's a reason why his name is called Raja Banks.
'Cause he's the bank.
He's the bank.
The motherfucking bank.
Some people confuse it with Raja Banks.
Banks, BAGS, BANGS.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like everybody has the bank saying Q Banks, Roger Banks.
Yeah.
And now it's Eleanor Banks.
Nah, I'm not the bank. I'm the fat.
Got him. Good one, eh? That was a good one.
Print some money.
She's the walking ATM.
Yeah. My name is Eleanor Yellen. Clean range for buys. Outfit. Outfit. Yeah, Scorpio Kid. Definitely, this range here is kind of messy to take trades. But this area here, right? If you look at this area here, I'm willing to take a trade because I'll be aiming for this TP target. And if we look at the higher time frames, it's already prime itself to fill this wick and then continue up. So if you look at the daily, you will feel the same wick. And then on the weekly, it will fill this previous wick. Martin, are you in this? You took it already, is it?
Nope.
Okay. You don't like the low volume chop.
Yeah, been there, done that.
Yeah. I like the moment you enter, then boom, blue.
The first 5 seconds, literally.
Yeah, it's like, oop, we're done. Straight
Oh,
away.
we're done for play. Go.
Yeah, straight away into profits.
If you can time that just twice a month, you'll be happy.
Yeah.
Full margin, and you're done.
Full margin of the Ferrari dealership.
While you're opening the train, you're calling the dealership.
It's like, yo, bro, I'm in profits. Every time I think of Rajab, I think of his background music. Bum, 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 bum. It's always the same.
I actually haven't. But how come you can hear the music? He doesn't turn it on for the Zoom people.
No,
On
but
the
when I
YouTube
check
you
it
can.
on the YouTube channel,
Oh, you watch it on YouTube. Okay.
I join his live Zoom just to avoid hearing that.
It's that bad, huh?
It's not bad. It just gets stuck in your head, and
Maybe I should play an annoying sound for YouTube. And then it gets stuck in everyone's head. Yeah, Tony, I'm watching for this hour to close, the next candle to make a lower wick, and then when it flips bullish, I'll take it. So if you look at this pattern over here, it's the same pattern. Look at this wonderful pattern. I already know this candle should close below this resistance, and then the next one, boop, mushroom candle.
Can you repeat that? Sorry. Next candle should what?
Like I'm already expecting this candle to close below, and then this candle will be like a mushroom candle and break with the pre-New York volume.
are you targeting the 4-hour wick fill?
Yeah, this daily wick high here, which is in line with the 4-hour. Yeah, this area same. But that is only TP1. The final one is above. This is what I'm more interested in. The weekly wick fill.
El, do you manage your trade on 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, or both? Here. El, do you manage your trade on the 5-minute or 15-minute?
To cut loss?
Yeah.
Honestly, I haven't even been taking partials. I manage. Okay, so let's say if I take an entry on the 1 hour, right? I manage it one time frame down, so 30. But it's not just because it breaks the previous 30-minute wick low, then I cut. No, I watch the 30-minute and the 1 hour structure. So for example, if I enter this long example like this, on the next candle, right, my stops would be somewhere here below this. So if this structure breaks below, only then will I cut my trade, and I might just cut it in full. I won't even cut half. You get what I mean?
If it cuts below the 0.5?
Yeah, this basically here. These bodies.
Oh, if it goes below the body.
Yeah, I might just cut the entire trade already.
Okay.
Yeah. Whereas, like, I know, like, Raja would, let's say the entry is taken here, if it breaks below this, I know he'll start cutting already. Yeah, but it depends on how you want to manage it. For me, I know that as long as structure holds, I should leave the trade alone.
Okay.
Yeah. But as a rule of thumb, just go one time frame down. Don't go too far. You get caught in all the noise.
Yeah, because that's what I thought. A lot of people are watching the 5 minute and 15 minute, and I thought that's a little bit weak confirmation that the price is actually gonna go either down or up.
Yeah. You're gonna get caught in a lot of the minor movements.
Wait, L, are you in the trade?
No? I'm waiting for the hour to close. Hour to close. Make a lower wick, flip bullish tick. Same as just now, how y'all took. How I wanted to take it at London. Pre-London. Same structure. I want to see this candle close more than half. This bullish one. If you can close more than half, then it will be a good thing. Should continue going up.
Looks like it's indecisive.
Yeah. I need it to.
Like a weak build.
Oh, if it closes a doji, oh, stop.
Abandon ship. Wait for London.
Yeah.
New York.
Yep. At least half. Needs to be at least half.
Yeah, the way it's looking for me, again, if you look at that recent sell-off, it on a 30-minute chart, it double tapped the 50%. So it's, again, still kind of in the middle for me.
Yeah.
So in a sense, for me, it's kind of like a decision area. It's like, hey, it's like, is it gonna want to? Because again, those TPs, if it does want to sell off, it's right back to that structure that I traded at.
Yeah.
Bye everyone. Have a good day trading. Bye L.
Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Wait, you said it will go down to your entry.
Yeah, I don't have a sell trade, but if you take from the recent sell-off, it tapped the 50%, and then the 61.8 is right around the 61.8 TP is right around Hold on a second. From here to here.
Mm-hmm.
61.8 is right around that structure that I took my buy trade at.
Wait, the here? No, right?
No. A fib going down.
Yeah, I did it there. Wait, did I draw it wrongly? Here to here. Here, 61.8.
No. The 0.618 TP. We're 141.57.
Oh, okay. Bottom, the bottom one here.
Yeah.
Mm.
The 23.6 TP level is
Yeah.
right around that top area there, and then the 61.8 is right around the level that I traded at.
Oh.
If it does want to go to that, I'm not saying it will. Because again, you never know. But for me, those are the things that I have to be careful of and think about where price wants to go.
Yeah. You know what you taught me yesterday? Man, you know how I got out of my gold trade in profits? Was because you taught me to look at the latest swing in the opposite direction to manage my trade. It was like a precursor. You know the gold trade yesterday?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, now I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, because remember we were going long, and then after that on this area, it started to stop. I was like, oh, this is dodgy. Yeah, when it poked at it so many times and the hour finally closed, I was like, nope, I'm not playing anymore. Yeah, usually, right, I would have just left it because it's a very weak bearish candle. But because it had two reasons why I should have closed it, I was like, nope, I'm not playing. And then I just closed it. Then I was like, oh, thank God. Yeah, but you taught me that.
And that's the thing too. Once you start, I mean, again, you'll see patterns in the market that make you say, wait, okay, what's going on here? And then the moment that you start seeing the pattern and you start seeing things you don't like, that's when and you don't feel the confidence in the trade as you thought you did, that's when it's time to get out, start getting out.
Yeah, correct.
Take what you got and then get out, let price do its thing.
Yeah, no.
Then you can the price. The thing is, I know some people like to think, oh, well, I could have got this, could have got that. It's like, I always want to be careful, man. Just the market isn't going anywhere. You can always come back in anytime.
Yep. Yeah, the 1 hour close is weak. Is weak. Pause.
Weak sauce.
Weak sauce. Yes, it's weak. I think those that took it on the 30, you might be at almost near break even. Be careful of your trade. It's weak as beep. It's a worst candle.
Yeah, if you go, can you go to the 30-minute?
Yeah, Angela, I don't take 10 to 20. I try to go further, but if in between price is not giving me my full range, then I'll cut the trade. Yeah, but my usual aim is like 20 to 30. Yeah, BP this the 30.
Yeah, can you zoom out a bit?
Oh, the guy who's talking. No, he has swing ideas and day trade ideas. Yeah, enough? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, go BP.
This area we're fighting with right now. But I think we're gonna get a 1 hour wick fill. Just creating the down wick and it's gonna fill the wick.
Yeah. It's like this 1 hour is weak. It makes me want to take a trade, but oh my god. I feel like it's gonna go to fill this 1 hour wick and then it'll come back down first and then go again. Yeah.
Could you repeat that again?
I feel like because the 1 hour close weak, right? There's two things that can happen now. Because we are heading into pre-New York where there's volume, it could just go without us. Fill this wick and then continue to fill the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not, because of the way this closed, I'm not 100% confident you will fill the wick now on the 4 hour. But this 1 hour definitely should fill based on this candle close. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so if I know I'm only gonna get this much when I want like this, I don't know, it's a struggle. Because you already did its flip like what I said it would. But do I want this? Meh. How important are these in trading? Quite important. Benny, go try drawing. So do a bit of research on it. You got to draw it from a recent swing high to low. So how I draw it is usually once my price manages to break a zone, I find the lowest point that started the move and the end point that broke the move, and I draw my fibs from start to end. So you gotta do a bit of research on it to find out how to draw it properly anyway. Ooh, 1 hour candle broke and closed below.
Well, did you get on gold price yesterday when they announced the CPI?
Yes. Yes, I did. I entered before because I forgot.
Oh.
That was news. It wasn't fun.
It was epic.
It was epic, yes. It was epic. I entered here.
Should have literally full margin on that.
No man, you asked Vontae, I was like, oh shit, this is stupid.
Oh man, it was awesome. It's just like, what the? No!
After I entered, I was like, shit, there's news. And then I sat through this pullback here. I was like, oh, it's coming to get me. Nope, it went back up. Yeah, it wasn't the most fun.
Yes. So right now with gold, I just had it. What the heck? Yeah. So right now with gold, what I have now, if
Gold?
you go to, yeah. So if you go to if you go to a 30-minute and then zoom out.
Wait, give me a second. Ricardo, I don't like that 1 hour break because the next candle didn't tap into that support to come down. It just went down first, so I don't like it. It's gonna reject the wicks and then come back up. And plus, there's no volume for gold yet. Not at this time. So yes, go out here.
Yeah, if you and then stop right there. So I have I can get it back again. I have a fib going from here to the low, and it tapped the 50% twice. So I don't have a trade in right now, but right now what I'm looking at is to see if it wants to break the low. I also have a fib going from here to here, and
ooh,
it has a 78.6 that it is trying to get through. I don't know. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. $78.6 is this last hurrah if the buyers want to come back in. It kind of blew through the 61.8 and came back up, but if
I'm talking about here, right?
Down, yeah. So that could have been its hold. That could have been its hold at the 61.8, but if it does want to come down, the 78.6 is basically the buyer's last hurrah. So like I said, I don't have a day trade right now on it, but that's just what I'm looking at right now. Again, it's a battle of the fibs, like I always say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't really too confident in that 6-18. Usually when I see things like that, it retested again, right there. But again, because of that wick, I wasn't really too confident in the test.
Yeah.
So that's why I did the fib down to see what it wanted to do, what it wanted to do going down. Because of the previous volume from the transaction area, where it just came like just straight down like that.
Yeah. Why would you then draw? Okay, so you have 2 fibs, right? Hang on, it's a bit messy. Why would you draw your fibs from here to here and not this here?
Yeah, so the reason why I did that.
But technically, he's still holding a strong area on the fib.
Yeah, correct. It still is.
Yeah. Yeah, it still is.
There's multiple fibs you could draw, because again, like I said, it's sometimes I like to stack fibs. But that was just a better looking fib that I was looking at. That fib right there tapped the 78.6.
Yeah.
78.6 again, like I said, it's kind of like the last stand of any fib. So for me, I wanted a little bit more confidence. I wanted to see what other fibs are going to be around that area.
Oh, okay,
which is why I did from there to there, and it tapped the 50% twice.
Yeah, here and here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Basically, use fibs to get your confluence. I use my fibs plus zones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I call it a tool. It's just one of the tools in my belt that I use. Like I said, the zones, fibs, support and resistance. Those are all the tools in my arsenal that I use to plan out my trades and make my ideas.
Yeah. Ooh, so big. Let's see, stimulus. Okay. Bias is a buy based on these, but if it breaks below, I look for. If it breaks below, I look for buy confirmations at 103,900. Why not wait for buy confirmations here instead? Like this area, the bottom one, 10. What's his price? Yeah, basically the bottom line. I can't see. I don't know which one it is. That looks like a better area to look for longs rather than your area here. So longs here, stop somewhere below, and then take it up. This will be your TP one, and then the next one will be here. Or this Wakefield.
Hey, L.
Huh?
If you look at a 30-minute chart and you draw a fib towards the downside, price has rejected the 61.8 3 times.
This fib?
Yeah. Like towards the downside.
$61.8.
Okay, 0.5. No, because I draw from the body, not from the candles.
Oh.
Not from the wicks.
Okay.
Because price actually it just rammed through that so-called resistance, right? The Asian session resistance.
Yes, here.
Yeah. So yeah, I drew a fib from the bodies, and yeah, it looks like price rejected that 61.8
So you wanna sell it?
Nah, I think I'm done trading already because it could go either way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's at the midpoint already.
Yeah, I took a trade and I don't think I'm gonna risk anything. But just letting you know lah.
Yeah, I had this feed just now. We were looking at it. We were looking at both. Just that it didn't break. I took it away because you know what, people cannot see. The YouTube people cannot see. They will see numbers only and then they'll be like, what the hell is happening to L's chart? I have numbers, boxes. See, already one guy is already lost already. Yeah. The way the 15 is forming, this is range to me, that's all. So, yes, price has done nothing. Yeah, I think, David, if you're kinda lost, I think you don't really understand what FIPS are. This link might help you. So for whoever's lost, just go read this, get a basic understanding of what it is first. This is like a beginner website, it will help you. If not, then you will be like confused, what the hell is L drawing? Yeah, but just read that first.
Because gold is at an interesting area too. It's kind of like just for me an area that I don't want to trade right now. I'm just waiting to see what it wants to do.
Yeah. We'll wait for pre-New York, I guess. Let's see what's on the calendar today. Unemployment claims. Ooh. Do I execute with FIPS on the microtrend structure against the actual structure on 30 minutes? No. No, I don't. My main, so the first thing I look at is my zones first, right? So this green area is a zone. It's not just the FIP area. So for me, I was already looking in this area. I just stacked on the FIPS to give me a tighter entry. So right now, going up and down, the FIPS are in, both FIPS up and down are stuck in the strong area. So that's why price is fighting. That's about it. But I don't really execute using the micro trend. It's not really that. Are you okay there?
Oh, sorry. I thought I muted it.
It sounded like you had a fur ball.
I think I need some water.
Your cat gives you a... You have a cat, right? Yesterday you said.
Yeah. My cat kept scratching the door wanting to get out. And then as soon as I opened up the door, she's like, yeah, no, I think I'll stay. was like, oh, okay, so you just wanted me to get up, huh?
Typical cat behavior.
Right. My cat does this funny thing where constantly does this. I'll wake up and my cat's fur is black, so when I wake up, all I'll see is this a black ball of fur just staring at me, looking at me, like right in my face.
Oh, that's so cute. He probably wants food.
Yeah.
Just wants to eat.
Yeah.
That's my first thought too. And then for whatever the reason, every time, she doesn't go for it. So now for whatever reason, I think she just like, cause I usually wake up at a certain time. So now she's just like looking at me in anticipation, saying, "Oh, he's gonna wake up. He's gonna wake up."
Yeah, Scorpio Kid, I did draw it from this big bearish candle. I did. I just used the 15 to draw it. But it's from here to here. It's the same thing. I used the 15 because it's the same move. Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming down now. Alright.
How will I tackle gold with this 1 hour break and close below support? Nothing. It's not time to touch gold yet. Jace, volume. Yeah, don't... I mean, it's your choice if you want to take it now, but just volume. Doesn't mean a close below means take. You're gonna struggle in the trade if there's no volume. Look at how many times he pushed down. Because if there's no volume, it's gonna make it's gonna run into problems with all these wicks here. So just be careful. I'm waiting for at least pre-New York, but we also have US news. Yeah, we have US news near the North American Open.
The Powell is gonna be speaking
Later.
Later.
Mm.
That'll be interesting.
Rejection to the top. Yeah, I think this week is a bit weaker for you, right? The thing about gold is, even though it's like a tiny wake up, this is also 20 pips. I think that's the thing that traps people.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like, oh, it's still 20 pips, let's grab it, and then whoop, stop loss hit. Yeah. I think that's why like I struggle to take go on the 5 minute.
I always tell people, excuse me, when it comes to indices and commodities, again, they can be very volatile at times, so you really need to be careful on a 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
That thing will just go out of nowhere.
Yeah.
When you least expect it.
It's like this area, see, like so nasty, all the wicks. Oh, I thought I'm going down. Whoop, the wick gets you and then continues moving down. Yes.
Yeah, and depending on how many lots you do, it'll crush your account, man.
Yeah. 50 lots, go.
Okay, then. That's it. I'm gonna do the smart thing and get some water.
Yes. I'm worried.
Don't worry, everyone. I don't have coronavirus. It's okay.
I'm gonna get it through my ears.
Fortunately, coronavirus doesn't go through the internet, so.
I think it needs to upgrade to 5G in order for it to do that.
I already have 5G. No. I'm gonna get the roll.
I spoke to a friend of mine yesterday who had coronavirus.
Oh.
And yeah, he wasn't feeling too good. It was shortness of breath, a bit of fever. His wife, on the other hand, also had coronavirus and had no symptoms at all.
Wow. He was resting at home?
Yeah, he was self-isolating for I don't know how long, 2-3 weeks, something like that.
Okay.
I think he got over it now. He's just doing another set of tests before he goes back at work. Because he's a ambulance driver.
Oh shit.
So he's right there in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's the worst, right? It's like they do their job and then they get stuff.
It was like, he said it himself, it's only a matter of time before.
True. And you know the worst thing is, like, there was, when this whole thing first started, people treated our paramedics like shit. It was disgraceful. It was really disgraceful. Like, they didn't want to. Yeah, there was a story whereby they didn't want to serve them at when they were trying to buy food. That was fucked up, man.
Wow, that is.
Yeah, it's like they risk their lives to save you. They don't have to do it. They can quit.
Here in the UK was the exact opposite. They made like they were broadcasting on television, protect the NHS.
They made every Thursday we'd have to come outside our houses and clap for them.
Oh no, we had to do that clapping thing as well, but it was stupid because we treat them like shit, then after we clap for them, it's like fuck. We need to slap ourselves.
The clapping part was funny because it's like, well, my life hasn't changed. I'm still going to work every day. Still trying to keep the economy rolling for this country. How come nobody claps for me? And
go clap for him.
And I thought it was like an insult, being like, so there's this very difficult situation, and the best the country can do is just clap for the NHS instead of giving them, like, I don't know, bigger pay raise or
more money.
Yeah.
More money or something.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Exactly.
Unless they can go into a shop and the guy at the tilt says, "Oh, you're an NHS, I'll clap for you," and all the food is for free.
Yeah. But the thing is, businesses also still need to run, sadly. I mean, they can give them discounts and stuff like that, I guess, but unfortunately, the businesses are also really badly hit. So I saw so many restaurants and cafes around my area. It's like, damn man, so many of them closed down. I went there like a few months back. Oh, it's gone. Where is it? Yeah. And we are not even that badly hit here.
Oh, don't tell me it's going back to the range.
Yeah. Hey Chris, know what? We didn't lose.
Yeah, that's a big accomplishment, isn't it?
Yeah, we didn't lose.
Always had that fear of missing out when you see that candle is going like a higher wick. It's like, oh no, I don't want the price to go without me, please, thank you.
Yeah, but we didn't lose.
That's what matters.
Yeah. Every day you didn't lose, your account has a little more money to play for the next day.
Yeah. Oh. Definitely looks like it's just gonna go back at that nasty range.
Yeah, man.
I wonder who's gonna be like, oh yeah, take the impulse.
I should sell it. Bye bye. Oh, there you go. See, someone just asked, should we be selling here? No, Mazo. There's a lot of if you just look at the one, okay, let's not look at the one. If you just look at the 30, oh man, it's very messy.
I think it's just gonna
It's
be
very
like
messy.
a retest
Ooh,
on
look.
30
Where?
on 8:30 on the 30-minute.
Oh,
Yeah,
830 here, right? The gray box.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. So basically, I have like thresholds, like what Monte said. These are my thresholds. Go past this, yes, we are coming down. If not, if it holds like what it did here, then yes, you have this quick move up. But it didn't last very long because there wasn't volume.
Is that the default Fibonacci, or did you adjust it?
No, it's default.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, Jason, that guy is gone. He got blocked. Yeah. Because he's being an idiot after that.
I never watched the YouTube comments. I feel like I'm missing out on all the people.
Nah.
I won't get to see ever again.
the remaining people in my YouTube chat, they know what to do. Like, not many people call signals anymore. There are some people that will post the signal and then immediately bye bye. You don't see them ever again.
I was just about to drop this thing.
Roger, turn on the Zoom.
He has the
Morning.
invite.
Oh, he sent the invite already. Yeah, whoever's trying to sell gold, just wait. Yeah, there's no volume now. So buy or sell now. 10 minutes is better than I told you. Yeah. Yeah, I told you it's gone too. Like the institutional trader. He's gone.
The institutional trader.
Yeah. Hey, Guala. Ricardo, pre-New York. So, sorry, the North American currency open. So it will be, you just go to your Forex factory, make sure your clock is the same timing, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the start time. And then notice when New York starts at that time, you start to see gold pick up. That's how I noticed. Chris, you came in from the Slack, right? The link on the Slack, right?
I came in from the link on the Slack, yeah.
Okay, that means the password is correct, right?
Well, I came in like earlier.
Yeah, Kevin. Oh
morning,
yeah,
so-
Kevin is in too. Okay, then this person might be wrong. Well,
You didn't take a buy trade, did you?
no, I didn't enter or I didn't do anything.
Yeah, that previous one I closed was weak.
Yeah, it was weak, so I'm so glad I waited.
Patience.
Good. I'm glad we avoided it.
Yeah. Bye bye, YouTube crowd. Raja's on.
Yes, finally the filter can come off.
What upgrade? The monitor.
So what is this? Us geniuses here?
Yeah. Yeah, Angela, the person's YouTube name was Institutional Trader. Bye bye, YouTube crowd.
I'm gonna have both L and Raja's stream on, so L doesn't lose any viewers.
Oh no, I'm closing the YouTube.
Really? No.
Yeah. Wait, what day is it today? Thursday, right? Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah, YouTube runs Tuesday, Wednesday, still New York only. Yeah.
Fair enough then.
Mazo, go to YouTube and search Wicks Don't Lie. Right, that's my last message. Bye bye.